JLP is playing politics while Jamaicans suffer. Instead of fixing our broken healthcare system, they are targeting one of our brightest minds, Dr. Aujae Dixon. But hear me now, PNP will not be silenced. The Jamaica Labour Party is once again playing politics with the lives and future of the Jamaican people. Instead of fixing our collapsing healthcare system, they are busy targeting bright young minds like Dr. Aujae Dixon. His interdiction is not about justice or fairness. It's about silencing the People's National Party and trying to break the spirit of progress. But let me make it clear, that will not happen. Healthcare workers across this country are standing in solidarity with Dr. Dixon. They see the truth. They live the daily reality of short staff, broken equipment, and hospitals in shambles. And while Christopher Tufton should be laser-focused on urgent reforms to save lives, his ministry is caught up in political victimization. This is not leadership. This is desperation. The PNP condemns the unfair interdiction of Dr. Aujae Dixon, and we are calling for urgent policy change. Jamaica deserves better than a government that punishes intellect, silences dissent, and plays politics while our people suffer. The fight for justice in healthcare is not about party colors. It's about the lives of every Jamaican, and we will not back down. Family, Jamaica deserves better. What's your view on this? Drop your comments below, like, share, and subscribe to Michy Dex Commentary for the real story every time. Stay tuned, because the struggle for truth and justice continues.